Well, I thought this would be inevitable. It'll happen eventually, wouldn't it? We're testing out the SRC crash bars. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and help me create more content like this. So I've come out today, it's very wet. I test out my new tyres, and I've had a slow speed off here. Trying to get up here, the bike's just gone and slipped out at a slow speed, so it's a good chance to see how the crash bars are doing and what they're protecting. So let's have a look. The fairing is off the ground, which is fantastic. We'll see what it's protected and pick it up. Looks like the handlebars have kept it off the ground as well. Let's pick it up and see what we got going on. Well, I've had plenty of practice at this now. Handlebars seems like your best bet. Yep, easy. Let's see how they held up. There is absolutely nothing on the fairing here, which is great. You can see it's just taken all of it. It's solid as. I'm happy with that. Very happy. Hasn't bent or anything. It was only slow speed, but that's 200 kilos falling on it. You know, at moving pace, so it's a chance to do some damage there. I'm happy with that. So what's come down is it's landed on the bark busters and the handlebars. This looks like it's hit bang on here, the protector and the foot peg and rear brake. So I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with how they've done so far. Whoa! Oh! Alright, let's pick her up. Very good practice at this now. Oh. Now have a look. Foot peg pushed up. Hits the shift lever. Hits the bark buster. And hits the crash bars right in the guts along the side here too. So the amateur protection is working well too. I'm happy with that. That side's working just as well as the other side, as it should. Gotta watch that gear lever though. We'll get pressed in. So I've brought the bike out into the light, just rode up a hill then, get into this light to show how the SRC crash bars have held up. So very happy with that small off. Bark busters take a lot of it. But then I set it in when I installed them. I think these are going to be perfect because landed bang on there. Bang on there. This damage was already there, by the way, before I had crash protection. So bang on there. Bang on there. Bang on your foot peg as well. So nothing at all around here, which is what we want to see. What we want to see, definitely. So I'm very happy with that. It hasn't bent or anything. Strong as. So I'm happy with these SRCs so far. Very happy. You know, we're going to have to do some more testing on it. Hopefully it's not high speed stuff. You know, I'd love to test it at high speed to see how it holds up, but I'm not going to ghost it into a tree on purpose or anything. But if it happens, it happens. You know, that's riding. Alright, I'm going to keep riding. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button. Keep it on the back wheel. Catches.